Hi everybody, I'm here for, you can see, Cocoa Daisy Unboxing Day. So, all I did was open it, and I've got lots of stuff in here. And look, I have the beautiful pen gems that came with this kit. And I ordered an extra one, but I forgot to enter the code to have it shipped with my box. So that'll be arriving tomorrow. So, let's dive in and see what all we have. So let's first of all get the classified kit out of the way because you're not supposed to know what's in it. So let's start with the planner kit, and I think the planner add-on as well. I'm not sure what all I have. I'm not sure what's in all the kits. I haven't had a chance to look at the webpage, but we will in just a sec see what all we got here. Here we are. Pumpkin spice is the theme for this kit, and Christine is now putting these on the webpage. So if you love this card, you can print it out on a cardstock and use it as a tip-in, or if you use the one that comes with your kit, you know, if you're making a dashboard or something, you can print out extras to put other places, or put one of the little tabs on it if you're using a planner, so it can be like a page marker. So there's lots of wonderful uses for this, and I love the texture of the paper. This is the planner add-on kit right here. Okay. So the first thing you see is we have a planner pouch. There was one that came with like a typewriter on it last year. Oh, and that's a big old bow. Is it stitched on? I'm not sure if it's, I think it might be stitched on. But I've been using, this is the August pouch, but you can see it is a beautiful pouch. And it's got this lovely polka dot on the inside. That's a nice fall, like brown color. And it's got this beautiful bow on it. So there you go. And it says Cocoa Daisy on the side with their logo on the tab. Cocoa Daisy always has the cutest post-it notes. And you can see the post-it notes for this month are these wonderful pumpkins. And it looks like, you know, perfect pumpkin. And there are so many here. I'm not sure of the exact number, but I use a ton of these, and I have never gone through an entire pack. And some of my favorite ones are ones from previous years. Like last November, there was an acorn one. So I might pull some of those acorn ones out to use with this kit. Now, here is a beautiful washi tape. Beautiful washi tape. It has this wonderful leaf and berry pattern on it, which lets me know that that's going to be a theme that we see in the inserts this month. So that's a wonderful washi tape. I love the Cocoa Daisy washi tape. Ah, look at this. These are some beautiful paper clips, and I have so many paper clips that I'm afraid to use, number one, because I'm going to lose them, and number two, I'm going to, you know, really mess them up. But here, let me come up close so you can see. And look at the beautiful colors. And again, look at this wonderful card. You can use this as a tip-in in your planner, or you could turn it into a tab or a bookmark. Like if you use an arc system, that would look beautiful, or a ring system. So there are those beautiful paper clips. Now, Cocoa Daisy always has die cuts and tabs. And here is, let's see if I can get rid of the glare. There's pumpkins and gourds and leaves and what looks like pumpkin spiced lattes and little tabs there. So those are going to be fun to use. I'm going to do some great things with those this month. I'm going to try to use everything in this kit. Oh, look at these. These are puffy stickers, but there's also these ones that have this gold foil on them. So you can see them a little bit better. It says, "Hey, it's fall, October plans, love today, rainy day, pumpkin everything, things to do, places to go, and the plan. And lots of cute pumpkins, which these are the same pumpkins that there are die cuts of. See how those two are the same? Very cool. So you've got lots of things you can decorate with pumpkins. You always get a pad of paper. And this, just like the Post-its, there's so many pages here. I have yet to go through one of these. So it says today, and it's a light grid. Let's see if you can see that. It's beautiful colors, like little watercolor dots. Beautiful. And here are your stickers that you can use for the tabs, all the things you might need for the month, and even a few blank ones so you can write in your own. Here are the numbers and the days of the week, along with meal plan, celebrate, urgent, groceries, weekend, and there's even a few decorative down here, like this beautiful arrow with what looks like the washi print. Now these are more of your decorative stickers. October, hello fall. It has 2 tabs. There's that beautiful pumpkin-y gourd thing again. Look at Simon. Simon's down there. He's the little mascot, and lots of cute fall things. All of the pumpkins. I got some ideas. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm planning a little bit differently this month, and I'm using, ooh, look at that beautiful watercolor. It looks very similar to something from about 2 or 3 years ago. It's not, but it looks similar. Beautiful. Look at those greens and oranges and yellows and the beautiful leaves. And so you get 2 of everything. So you've got, so you can feel comfortable using both sides. So if you want to use this for something and this for something else, you got 2 of them. So you have that option. So that's the beautiful paper. Look how beautiful that is. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to kind of cut it up a bit and do some things with it. Look at the beautiful pumpkins. I'm gonna cut it up, and if you've been watching my videos lately, you see that I've been planning. Look how gorgeous. And usually Simon is hiding somewhere in the planner. Look how beautiful that is. Usually he's hiding somewhere. So, corn mazes, campfires, cool days, apple pie. So I've been planning in a pocket ring that is cute, and it's a dot grid. So the first half of the book is divided, if you want to think like 1 day, 2 day, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, with grids. The middle pages of the book are dot grid and then lines. And then after that, everything is dot grid. So it looks like it's plain, but there's tiny little dots. And those help with those that have a hard time, like me, writing in a straight line. Look how beautiful this is. I'm gonna have to plan how I cut this down. Very, very, very cute. I didn't see Simon, but I know he's in there somewhere. Let's quickly look at the planner add-on kit. And then I will film a separate video that is the, yeah, this is the planner add-on kit. I will film a separate video that is the classified and the sticker kit, because I got everything this month. Thank you, Coco Daisy. Oh my goodness. So the first thing I see are these are bookmarks that are adhesive bookmarks, and they kind of remind me of the ones that you can get at Michael's for the Happy Planner. See, it's sticky here, and you can fit, you know, a wide pen in there or clip on a thin pen. Like, here's the pen that I've been using lately, my Coletto Lumio. I got this pen back in 2014 because of Carrie Harling. Hi, Carrie. And I've got like 3 of them because I love the pen so much. So see, you can fit, and that's a 1, 2, 3. This is a 4-barrel Coletto, and it fits in there really, really, really well. So you can clip it under there, and you can still see a bigger pen would fit in there. Like one of the bigger pens I have is a Lamy Safari, and those fit in these, if I can. Uh-oh. This one I haven't used, and so the this is really, really tight. But you can see, like, this will go completely through it. Look. So you can, if you've got, you know, really thick pens, or if you have multiple pens that you want to put in there, or like a highlighter or a marker or a Tombow, it's going to fit in there. And so you've got 2 pen loops that you can use. I'm definitely going to use those. I'm not sure which one. I might use both. We'll see. I'm going to come up with some really cool things to do in my planner this month with these great things. There are more wonderful die cuts. This one has Weekend. It has, looks like more pumpkins and lots of stuff. I don't want to take those out because I don't want to lose them. But look, we have a Simon wearing a little scarf paperclip. I can add him to my collection of Simon paper clips. Look how adorable he is. He looks like he's been, you know, embroidered on one of those wonderful programmable, what are they called? Sewing machines that, you know, does that type of stuff. And very cute, very cute. Gotta find a use for him. Well, actually, the planner that I'm going to be using this month has pockets that are perfect for that. So let's see what's all in here. So this has, let's see, it has these little cards. The bad news, nothing lasts forever. The good news, nothing lasts forever. That's really cute. I noticed that autumn is more the season of the soul than of nature. That's from Nietzsche. And those are some of the similar beautiful colors that are on the papers that we have this month. And these are all blank on the backside. So you could use these as a tip-in and write on the back, or use, you know, those self-adhesive like tiny printable photos, or you could use some of these wonderful bits and bobs that come in the kit, or some of these wonderful stickers. And a lot of these stickers that come here are very similar to the stickers that, or the die cuts that you find here. But look at all those beautiful pumpkins. This is going to be a fun kit to play with. And here are all of these functional ones and the little to-do tabs. I have to find a way to use these, and I think I'm going to find a way to use these this month. Here are some beautiful round stickers and letters with the fall colors. And look how beautiful that is. I can smell autumn dancing in the breeze. And that's a beautiful card that I might be able to do something fun with. So I just wanted to show you this stuff in this video. So this is what you get in the planner add-on kit and the planner kit. Oh, the one thing I didn't show is I can never open these. This is the Cocoa Daisy pen gem that Cocoa Daisy designed along with pen gems to go with this kit. And look how beautiful that is. So it's a Cocoa Daisy exclusive. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful. Okay, so that is the planner kit and the planner add-on kit. And I will be back in the next video showing you the sticker kit. Oh, it looks like dashboards. That's right, I got the dashboard kit. And the classified kit. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. I will link them down below. They're great.